Hello, good day everyone. It's me again, I'm Tefts. Welcome back to this channel. Today's repair is a 24 inches LED TV. It's turning on, but no channel signal receive. I will show you how to fix it. This channel reaches over 7,000 subscribers now. Thanks guys for supporting this channel. I will upload more videos like this. If you didn't subscribe yet, please subscribe now, and don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you will never miss videos like this. So let's get started. The RF tuner is like the CRT TV tuners. Measuring voltages to the RF tuner. The highest volts reading is only about 2 volts. This type of RF tuner voltages are the BM 5 volts, AGC 4 to 7 volts, and 33 volts, that's the BT. All the needed voltages are missing. Seems the tuner is okay, no corrosion on it. No voltages are reading on this 7805L regulator. It's a 5 volts regulator supplying the tuner. This is the causes why it's not receiving any TV signals. I traced the input of the 7805L is connected to this transistor. This is a P-channel transistor MOSFET. This is the drain which connected to the 7805L input. This is the source going to the 12 volt supply. And the gate controlling whether to on or off the supply of the tuner. This MOSFET is defective. The gate and source should have no resistance reading. This MOSFET is used to switch the LCD panel to turn on or off. Similar to the tuner supply which I'm working on, it is a P-channel MOSFET and it's okay to substitute it for the defective MOSFET. Between the source and drain are zero resistance, seems the MOSFET is okay. "12 volts and 5 volts are present now. Seems working now.
A few moments later.
The TV receives a TV signal now. Thanks for watching. I hope you like this video. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe. You can also ring the notification bell. Once again, I'm Tefs. See you again later. Bye for now.